welcome back, and in this tutorial we are going to continue with the Laravel. So in previous tutorial I have already installed the Laravel application on our system, and in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can create login and registration. Before proceeding, we need to have a database connected with our Laravel application. So first we need to create a database. So I have the Lara blog database. In Laravel we have a feature that we can easily add the login and registration with the help of few commands, and if you need to check this documentation, you can go on the front end, and here you can see front end scaffolding. Okay, and in Laravel 7 there's given bootstrap, view, react. So you have three options, whatever you like you can choose. So I'm going to choose the bootstrap. So before proceeding adding the login and registration, we need to have a Laravel UI package. So just go on the terminal and run the command. Okay, composer require Laravel UI. So this will take couple of minutes, and we can add our database connection in between. So go on the env file. You can see on the your project directory on the root there's .env file. Okay, so you need to change the env file. Here you can see db database credentials are here, so you need to type the database name Lara blog here. In my case you can change whatever you have added, and username and password. So just save this one. And one more important thing, whenever you change in your .env file, you must need to restart your server again. Okay, not the server, actually PHP artisan server. And just go on the terminal and restart the server. So just let me close this one and restart again PHP artisan server. And here you can see the Laravel UI is still installing. Laravel UI is installed. Okay, and we need to run PHP artisan UI bootstrap hyphen auth command. Okay, PHP artisan UI bootstrap hyphen auth. So this is successfully installed, and we need to run the npm install and npm run dev. Okay, as we have run the command auth. Okay, here you can see the on the controller directory auth directory is created, and with the auth directory here login, controller, register controller, reset, verification, confirm password, these already come. Okay, and on the view you can see here auth and layouts already created. Okay, so let's wait for the installing node packages. If you run our code here, and you can see here no login and registration is showing, and as you hit refresh you can see login and registration option comes. Okay, when you click on the login page will come, and when you click on the registration page will come, but you can see here the styling is missing. Okay, so that will come after installing the npm run dev and npm install. Okay, so here you can see Laravel mix build successful, and here you can see app.css and app.js file is created on the asset directory, and you can see on the public directory on the css here app.css is created. Okay, and on the js app.js is created. Okay, so all the assets you will keep in public directory. Okay, and when you refresh the page again here, you can see, yes, this is looking pretty well. And on the login screen here, email address and password. So this part is completed, and one more thing we need to do is to create uh, the tables. Okay, users tables. So let me show you on the database. You can see here on the migration, three migration is created. Actually on Laravel we need to create the database using the migration. Okay, so you can see on this file, users table, create users table. Okay, with these one. Okay, and if you need to change or add the another field, we can do that as well. Okay, so that will, I will tell you later on. To add the tables in database, we need to run one more command here, php artisan migrate, php artisan migrate. Okay, yes, you can see the tables are migrated. And if you go on the database, you can see the database is empty for now. And if you click on the structure again, you can see here four tables are created. Okay, under the users table, and this is empty. So just go on the registration, type Vijay Wadia. Okay, email address my guru@gmail.com, password. Okay, use a strong password, don't use, let me take another password, and hit register. Save password not now. Yes, you can see you are logged in, and here the my name is showing. And if you log out, log in, and let me, yes, so you can see the login and registration on the Laravel application is quite easy one, and you can customize later on. I hope guys you can understand each point, and if you have any issue you can just comment below the video. Okay, thank you so much.